Take a ride in the 2024 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.